paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a craft game today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require an A4 size paper. Now, let's start making a standing line. And after that, why don't we start cutting this? All you have to do is cut a thin strip out of the A4 size paper. Now that we are done with that, we will start folding it like this. Remember, it needs to be from side to side. And after that, why don't we fold it into 2 equal halves? Lovely! Now, wherever there's this opening, why don't we fold it from there? And cut the top triangular part. Once we are done with this, we have this entire thing in front of us. All we have to do is fold it this way. It is going to look something like this. Why don't we see it once again? Lovely! Now, the paper which we have got, we are going to take both the sides together and press it. And when you see these flaps, they are going to get in the middle of this paper. And your race track is ready. Let's make a character on a piece of paper. And now, why don't we color it? You can use a sketch pen as well as a crayon to color this. At first, we require only one character. You can make another character for the second racing track as well. And now, it's time for us to cut it. Once we are done cutting it, why don't we paste it on top of this square? And finally, we need a finished banner. Let's put it right here. Now, the racing track is ready and let's see this. This is great! You can make a second one and race with your friends. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.